Hello everyone, this is Kazuya gonna try. Today I gonna replace brake lines in this video. I bought Goodrich made stainless mesh brake lines by eBay. Before start this work, you need 3 points. Point 1. You will prepare flare nut wrench before you ready. As is usual with brake lines, it's super tight and easy straight, but using flare nut, it's bigger contact surface and easy work. Point 2. Never empty brake fluid reservoir tank. If you will empty this tank, you will be trouble. You will cover around reservoir tank. If you spilling brake fluid, corroding car paint. Point 3. Don't forget brake bleeding. Today I use bleeder bottle. This bottle has non-return valve. It makes easier job if you break bleeding by yourself. If you will get your friend to break bleeding, that's enough to use plain tube. Anyway, let's start job. At first, loose caliper side hose are written. Warning, don't fully separate it. At second, loose body side hose completely. Then, very quick replace caliper side hose and tighten up. And body side hose tighten up. Good. If you completely replace hoses, loosen this little part and push brake pedal. Sometimes fill up brake fluid and push pedal again. There's no bubbles in this hose. Finish this brake job. Of course, tighten up. Good. Cleaning brakes and repeat same processes 4 times. Good. Looking good. I completed this work. Okay, very fun job at last. Let's test driving. After replace brake lines, brake feels more better, more effective, stopping power awesome. This is great car. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to subscribe. It encourages me to many people are watching my video. Bye.